Okay, so sa inyo ha mga mothers, for Gwen and Arwin, kamo magtudo sa bongga kaday na dance. So, very simple ang steps. Ang chorus is paulit-ulit lang. Okay? So, this is all for the girls. Pero syempre, sa mga gays if they want to. Alright, so kanina mo na siya first figure. So, forward lang ta. So, one, basta lang mga neck choreography sa first part, sorry. Neck choreography sa first part, mga pose, blah, 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 blah. Or later na siya, ang figure lang. So, forward ta. So, right ang una. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pageant diya po na. Tapos, hinawak. Side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So, again, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tapos, atras ta. Atras. Ang atras is right and up. And right and up. Okay? So, ang kamot ana will be down, up. Down, up. Okay? Okay, again, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down and up. Down and up. Okay, basta mag-atras sila, bahala na. Down and up, down and up. Then next is buhok mo yung gucci. So, buhok, pose lang, pageant pose. Buhok, then inarte sa gilid. Buhok and inarte. So, naka-step maning right, no? Buhok, inarte. So, since naka-step ang right, i-step na siya. Step, side. Okay? Okay, 5, 6. 5, 6, 7, and buhok mo Gucci. Talang pa kay Gucci. Tapos, suot mo'y, very pitch perfect. Suot mo'y, gawa ni Pitoy. Suot mo'y, gawa ni Pitoy. Tapos ikot, di nang galing kay, tapos change formation. 8, 7, 6, 5, change formation na siya. 4, 3, 2, 1. Side, up, down. Side, up, down. Okay? Kaya diretso na ta sa bongga kaday. Chorus which is ulit. So next, chorus. Down, down, side. 5, 6, 7, and down. Down, circle, down, side. Tapos ikot. Tuyok. Tapos up, point. Wala nakaana ha, ana. Kulog. So, point. So, again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, up. Okay? Up, and down. Down. Actually, dito. So, up, and down. Kedua, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, then down, and up. Sa ikaduha. Ikaduha, malibit balikot. Di uso na po. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, and shoulder, up. Sa ikaduha, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, and body, up. Mora siya. So, misika na to ha. Yan siya ka-part na sa choreography. Pose. Forward. Pose. Atras. And step. Suot mo'y gawa na Pitoy. Change formation. And 4, 3, 2, 1. Side. Up. Shoulder muna. Down. Up. Again. Ulit na siya. Shoulder. Pose. Okay. After ato, lahin na po siya nga dance. Okay. Thank you mga mothers.